Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel MATLAB and RTLab. As you can see on the screen that today our topic is how to change grid location manually in Simulink graph. Means you can say x-axis, y-axis, numbering also. If you don't want to set location, numbering of x-axis and y-axis, how can you change it manually? As you can see here, there is one small window open here. How does it comes? I'll show you everything so that you will not face any problem next time. So if you came to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I used to upload videos related to MATLAB and RTLab. So subscribe and support me. Thanks for your subscription. Subscribe. Okay, so let's start. I have I have one graph here. I think you know how these windows come. Okay, if you don't know, I'll just say. I think you can watch my older videos also. I think if you are using newer version of MATLAB, this is like you already know this. But if you don't know, you can go to File here, means here View, and you can click on this Property Editor. Okay, after Figure, after you come to Figure, after that option, this option will come to you. Property editor. Okay, just go to view and click on property editor. This page will come for you. So we are talking about how to change this. Like here, look, 20, 10, 10, but downside 60, minus 110, then 160. These things sometimes we need to change according to requirements. And this side also means this the numbering of the grid. Okay, this is very simple. Just click on this graph. Very simple thing, but maybe if you have never done this before, then you don't know. So look here, just clicking on this graph and go to this tick, TICKS. Look here, tick. Change tick location and tick level. Okay, location and level you can change differently. Means I'll show you. Normally it is like this. Okay, if we select auto and apply, it automatically decide. Okay, it automatically decide the numbering of grid or the location of the grid, tick location and level. You can see here. Or you can use this step by step. You can make it 50 step or 100 step. Apply, look it come. Okay, this one is automatically given. So we'll do manually. We want to change it manually, so we'll go to this manual. We'll delete everything. Okay, let's delete all. Delete. Now we click on this manual, y tick location and y tick level manual, it both. Now insert. Suppose you want to start from down or left, any side you can start. I want upside, I want 20 and 10, so I'll put location 20 and level will be also 20. At 20 location it came 20. Okay, look, what you can do, let me insert one at location, suppose at location 5 I can write it down the level 10, but yeah, tick value must be monotonically increasing. It should increase, means I must put here more than 20. Okay, more than 20. If I put here 30, oh, 20, then okay, wait, it should come 30. At 30 it should come. Can I do it? Yeah, at 30 I can do it 5. Okay, so this location must come 20, then 30, it should come like that. Okay, so I have to put at first, so I need 10 na? So I'll delete this one, I'll make it 10. At 10 it should come. Can I do it from minus? Let me see it. 10, I'll make it 10, and let not, if I want to add now minus 1, let me see, minus 230, location 2 minus 230. Can I do it or not? Let me just check. No. So I have to start from minus. So I'll start from minus 230. Here minus 230. Okay. Then let me just do it once manually. Okay. Let me just do automatically. Okay, let me delete all. Let's do automatic. Minus 200, minus 150, minus 100, minus 50, then 0. I just did it once automatically, so downside part I don't actually need to edit, it's okay for me, so I'm putting this one automatically. Now I will click on manual. I need the upside one. Look here, no numbering, no grid coming. I need the upside down. So what I'll do, I'll insert one. I'll make one at 10. Location level will be also 10. I'll insert one more at 20. I'll insert 20 and apply. Look, now upside 20 10 came. So this is simple thing. And okay, so I can number these things manually, but it's override na, 0 10 and 20 is override. So what can I do? I can do one thing. Let's decrease the font size a little bit. Let's make it 20. Yeah, it's coming now. Okay, it's nice now, but maybe it will face little problem in visibility. Where is bold? Okay, Let's make this grid little dark. Na? Go to more property and you can change the this width of this border. Okay, grid. From here go to figure 1, click here, click on this figure. Now here big box striding, I can do it maximum 1, no, maximum number I can do it so much. I think I'll do 3. Now it's more visible. If I do it 4, yeah, it's more visible. Okay. So that's it guys. I think now it's clear for you how to change the level or the numbering or the location of grids in Simulink graph, and also how you can increase the width of the border and grids also. Okay, so thank you guys for coming here. Bye bye.